Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Mira. Spoopy season. I just got to school right now. So yeah, I just got to school. And I got all my work. And I was trying to study, but I couldn't. Came to Mia's school, which used to be my school, but now it's her school, and yada yada yada. Halloweened out, got the Nightmare Before Christmas lanyard, Michael Myers, and some spooky stuff. Alright, so I am going to do my house Halloween tour just because I need to start getting to the more spoopiness. So let's start. I am going to start from outside and end at the bathroom. So let's do this. So I have this light cover thingy. Oh, thank you, Mia. I got this from the 99 like maybe 3 years ago. It's so cute. It looks like the guy from Scary Movie. And then turn it off here. And then I have this. I always try to do different every year. So this is like zombie theme, I guess. And this was from Party City and Target. And then this one says "And if you dare buy like this part." So I have these little pumpkin things. I believe they are from Target, so I put them on the wall. I usually put them above there, but I broke it a long time ago, so I thought the wall would be cuter. This wall has a pumpkin guy from 99, spiders, also from 99. 99 is my best friend during the holidays. And then this doorway right here has some vampires. We have this tree. We've had it for years. It's so cute. It makes noises when you make noise, but I don't know how to turn it on, and she keeps screaming at it. Have a little pumpkin, and then we have the little there, and then some spider webs, a little black cat, and then that's it for that bookshelf. On this part, I put bookshelves. That's where our video games are mostly. And then our movies are right here. And then we have some sort of autumn right here. It's really pretty. That's how it looks. You probably can't see it. And you still probably can't see it. Oh, there we go. It's Count Your Blessings. Garland outside hanging. That's for Mia because she likes to go swimming because October in Cali is still hot. I need to hang more lights and I am going to put more cobwebs outside, so stay tuned. Oh, Mia. A knocker. A little mummy, and then I made that's all from Hobby Lobby. It's a little bouquet of Halloween spookiness. A little pumpkin, another garland, a little mummy. He's supposed to be outside, but these types of things fly away when it's outside. Our window has a lot of cute stuff. That one's my favorite. There. To the hallway, we have these two. They're supposed to light up, but we don't have any batteries for it.
And guys, also we have Bee, Kitty, and Pumpkin.
Good job, Mia. I have this spider garland right here for my room, and for the bathroom door, I have a little Dracula Frankenstein right here next to Victor's wall, side of the bed.
Yeah.
Just because he looks like Frankenstein to me. So I also have this for my mirror. It is all decked out. That is my mask that I use for the Halloween intro. Little sticky thingies, lights from Target, and then I have a little kitty and a little skull. So cute. Also from 99. Stickies from 99. Mask from Party City, and lights from Target, like I said. Pretty cute. You can't see how it is lit up, but it's pretty cute. I don't usually lit it up because I'm scared something's gonna burn. And then I added some spider webs onto my posters, Bonnie and Clyde, Benjamin Siegel, and Frank Sinatra. Also, I have this coffin from Etsy, and then I have my two Halloween themed sanitizers, Vampire Blood, and I was about to say the B word. Better Have My Candy.
So guys, we have these pumpkin lights. Also we have these are so cute.
Close-up of my posters. I don't think I've ever shown my posters on this channel,
Okay,
but
guys.
here it is.
Guys, they have these.
And on this section, I DIY'd Nightmare Before Christmas, my little mason jars, and then I got this little vintage little witch. It looks like me if I had a cat.
This is how it turns on. See what? See? And also that spider. And then we have the other, also back. And then here's a back. So guys, I hope you ate this video. Bye guys.
And that concludes the house Halloween tour. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know I don't have that much, but I'm saving that for jolly season, so yes. If you guys liked it, hit that like button, and if you guys want to see some more content, subscribe down below or anywhere. And yes, stay tuned for tomorrow, and hopefully I get the camera I want tomorrow. Please God, please. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Buenas noches or good morning.